Okay, once it start bubbling, now you can add your meat. Okay, now stir your meat in, and if you need to add more barbecue sauce, try it, see what it tastes like. Okay guys, I'm gonna add just a little bit more barbecue sauce to it. Again, do it to your liking. Okay guys, it is so good. I'm actually gonna put some aluminum foil on it and let it maybe cook for maybe about a good 5 more minutes. And there you have it, it'll be done. And this is, again, Sloppy Joe's with a twist. I'm telling you, try it, you guys will love it.